Quality lapse by major pharma firms as key medicines are under the scanner. Medicines such as paracetamol, Pan-D, they are among the 53 medicines which has failed a drug regulator's quality test, including calcium supplements as well. Now, medicines that failed the quality check, they also include vitamin C and D3 tablets, Shelcal, vitamin B complex, vitamin C soft gels. Remember, in August, the CDSCO, it had banned over 156 fixed-dose drugs combination in the Indian market that are likely to involve a risk to the humans, is what they had said. These medicines, they included popular fever drugs, painkillers, and allergy tablets as well. And my colleague Tanushka joins us to get us more on this story. Tanushka, break it down for us. These drugs that we are talking about, from what we understand, they are not in circulation. But at the same time, the big worry is about the regulation part of it, isn't it?
Right, exactly, Osama. What we must note is that these drugs that are commonly used drugs, paracetamol to the power of 500 milligrams, Pantacid, which is used for gastroenteritis problems, also vitamin B3 complex tablets, vitamin D3 tablets as well. All of these drugs have been mentioned in this list of other 53 drugs that has been issued by the CDSCO. Now, what we must note is that this is a regular standard check that CDSCO does on a 2-monthly basis, bringing out these standard checks into the drug combinations as well in medicines. And what we must note also is the report for the month of August 2024 clearly states that these commonly used drugs that have come under the scanner are manufactured by specific pharmaceutical companies. So it is not across board in the country. It is not with respect to all pharmaceutical companies or drug bodies that sell these particular medicines, but very particular specific ones that have come under the scanner. And what the ministry sources are also maintaining is that these drugs that have not passed the quality checks, the standard quality test, this is known as the NSQ report, are also drugs that were not brought into circulation in the market, which means that these medicines or these drugs were checked before they were sold into the market and before it got to public consumption. So to avoid any panic, we must consider, this report as a quality, as a standard procedure on the part of the CDSCO. And as also previously, the CDSCO had also come out with a 156 drug list ban and also drug combination. So these are some very specific things that we also must understand, that when a drug is manufactured in a specific state, in a specific weather condition and temperature as well, and when it goes out of that temperature condition, there are minor changes that happen within the drug that cause or that lead to such a lapse. So this is not a life-threatening sort of a ban or rather a lapse. However, this is just a standard procedure on part of the CDSCO. And also, what is to be noted is that these pharmaceutical companies, what is their stance on this? Because it is majorly a part of their, it's on their part now to deal with the drug lapse.
Okay, Tanushka, thank you very much for getting us all the details.